paper. Multi-paper.
All right. So, does that get anything?
Why does this turn? I don't want that to turn with it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it just above titty level.
Oh shit. Damn paper. This isn't a paper clip. What do you call this thing?
Somewhere around here. What is staging and why is it important?
And cut.
Awkward silence. Wait. All right, we're good. All right, so I like having 16 couches in my living room.
You have to gauge it. What's wrong with that? Does that make sense?
Unknowingly, your eye and your emotions are unconsciously drawn to the visually appealing pictures.
You should watch the.
I think so.
Titty low.
Hey guys, this is Carlos Colon.